This message is brought to you by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. As part of its tobacco regulation efforts, the FDA Center for Tobacco Products recently launched a new program to deliver information about tobacco product regulations via text messaging, and held a contest to recognize 4 users. We traveled to Minneapolis, Minnesota to meet Lorna, one of our winners. Lorna is a graduate student at the University of Minnesota pursuing a Master's of Public Health. When we caught up with her, she explained her interest in tobacco prevention.
I'm interested in studying tobacco prevention in public health because of the implications that it has on so many different types of diseases within our population. You know, it's a significant contributor to cancers, heart disease, stroke. It's not just lung cancer, it really goes beyond that. So I think by reducing tobacco use, we have the potential to impact many facets of individuals' lives, not just youth, but adults and future generations.
Lorna told us why the FDA's regulation of tobacco products is important to her.
We know that tobacco is harmful, but we also know that regardless of those harms, we still have about 1 out of every 5 people continuing to smoke. So we need to make sure that our environments, our stores, our communities are set up to make tobacco products less appealing, but to also make them less accessible. When President Obama signed the tobacco control law, it really was a large victory for public health. So it caused a lot of excitement amongst my peers and amongst others across the nation.
Lorna provided insights on her experience with FDA's tobacco regulations mobile texting program.
I think the text messages they provide the brief tidbits of information that you can grab on the go. And with so many people living such busy schedules now, that's really important. It's getting out the highlights of the legislation in a way that's accessible, that's meaningful, and that doesn't provide an additional burden to the general public.
Congratulations to Lorna for her active interest and involvement in FDA's tobacco regulation efforts.
I think my ultimate goal and the goal of the FDA is to really promote the health of the public and make living tobacco-free lifestyles more of the norm.
To learn more about FDA tobacco product regulations, please visit our websites.